Day something of Vlogmas. Do you remember I had the knitting disaster last night? I'm going to talk you through that later. But today's job is to decorate this room, which I've painted along with some help from my dad. Also, the final coat I did by myself, the ceiling and everything. I have a couple of bits to touch up, but it's looking really, really good now. So what I have to do next basically is dismantle this bed, put up my daughter's new bed, get the duvet out, get the duvet cover. The dog thinks this is his bed, look. This. Move some pieces of furniture and clean the whole place. And then I'd like to go and look for like an offcut of carpet. I have bought a rug, but I'm not sure that it's the right colour for in here. And I have an IKEA toy storage to assemble. So that's quite a few things. And then I need to collect the mattress, maybe Friday, for the new bed. So it'll probably take a while, but let's see how it goes anyway. Should look pretty cute by the time I'm finished. Hope.
Let's for the snow and the one horse open sleigh, and therefore we go laughing all the way. Ha ha ho ho ho. Laugh. Oh, there was a play. Wherever we go, there's a sing together and there's
Okay, ready?
Oh,
jingle bells, jingle all the way. I totally forgot to take footage after I put up the bed because it was so hard to put up. I just kind of gave up. It's from Dunelm and it was very difficult to put up. You wouldn't think it. So I'm getting a mattress from my sister-in-law, who you will have seen in the Red Coat Ladies vlog. So I just need to get a mattress protector and wash the bedding. We put up this little IKEA Trofast, I think it's called. It was so different to the bed. It went up so quickly and so easily, and it was really well designed. You can tell they had a product designer. And then we just have the Duplo and stuff here. And then, so yeah, we need some prints up here. I think we'll put her artwork up here. And then I think we'll put some prints up here. And then above the fireplace, I think we'll put the Kandinsky. And then above the Trofast, I think we're going to do like a little library and then just have a few books on the floor as well. So all in all, I think it worked out well. Oh, and we have this little hot air balloon to put up in the corner of the room. I think I'll put it up here where the library area is going. It's looking good. It's looking good. I've done all the touch-ups of paint. Oh, forgot to take off that masking tape up there. But yeah, I need to get a big rug for the floor. So I'm going to see if I can get an offcut of carpet from a carpet place. Because the rug that I had got just is so the wrong colour. So I have until Christmas Eve really to do this. And then I can already see, like, I did a big declutter through all the toys. So I'm getting rid of quite a lot of stuff. And there's a lot of toys with a lot of bits, I've realised. So I kind of sorted all those out and they're simplified now. I would love to do a little makeover on the cot. If she doesn't play with it in the next 6 months, I might take it back to the charity shop. I got it from the charity shop. She's played with it a bit, but not, like, sometimes she will play with it, sometimes she won't. But if she does play with it a bit, I might do a wee like patchwork blanket and some wee knitted things for one of her favourite teddies. So I think that's where we're at, basically done. It's looking really good, I'm really pleased, and yeah, the big reveal will happen on maybe Christmas Eve, we'll see.
In the bleak midwinter, frosty wind made moan. Earth stood hard as iron, water like a stone. Snow had fallen, snow on snow, snow on snow. In the bleak midwinter, long ago, our God heaven cannot hold him, nor the earth sustain. Heaven and earth shall flee away when he comes to reign. In the bleak midwinter, a stable place suffice. The Lord God Almighty.
Okay, so a little end of day check-in from me, from the sofa, with the Christmas tree behind. I spent today getting that room together and decluttering. It was a huge job. Assembling all the new furniture, it took all day. I have a very long list for tomorrow. And last night I spent the whole night trying to fix my mistake with the German short row fiasco. Let's just call it that. And I have fixed it to a point now where I'm happy, so I'll show it to you in a wee minute. However, I have worked at it so much that I think the yarn is kind of just going like this, and it's stretched out a little bit. I'll show it to you here now. Now, I did find a tutorial that shows how to fix German short rows, so I did that. Some I did in the right side, some I did on the wrong side. They all look okay, but it's not perfect. But I think it's as good as I'm going to get without doing a huge repair job and a huge ripping back job. So this is what it looks like now. So you've seen it at the start of this vlog. It was horrible. This is what it looks like now. So you can see it's a wee bit, some of the stitches are a wee bit pulled out. I tried to go across and even out my tension. You know, it's a wee bit gappy looking here. Do you see that? If it was, I was thinking of maybe steam blocking it just to kind of see where we're at. But, you know, you can kind of see where I've been like working at it. But if it was blocked, it might improve. You can see here, 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 everywhere. Compared to this nice one where I left things well alone and the tension is very even. So hopefully I've done it justice. Probably no one will ever notice this. And it is mainly at the back of the sleeve. There's only a couple of wee areas at the front that you would maybe notice. But maybe once it's blocked. But you can see what I mean about it. The fabric feels a wee bit wider here than maybe it should be. But I guess let's compare both sleeves and see if there's much difference. Maybe there's not. Maybe it's just my imagination at this point. No, there's no difference at all. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plow on because I just want to get this ready for Christmas Day because I really want to wear it. Loads of people in the vlogs, I have no idea if this is going on YouTube or Patreon, but loads of people have been asking about this. I think I did say before, I'm not sure on which platform it was on, but this I found in the charity shop. And it's like vintage Shetland, but not made in Shetland. But I think it's with Shetland wool. And yeah, the colour work is very nice in it. And it's colours that I wouldn't think to put together. It's actually men's, but I just seen it in the charity shop, tried it on, loved it, got it for like a tenner. So yeah, I really like this jumper too. And it's very warm, and because it's men's, it's very long. So keeps you nice and warm. So yeah, my Maxine has made a comeback. I'm really pleased with myself that I stuck with the hard repair job. And I did my best. I couldn't do any better, I don't think. I don't know how many times I redid each section. But I think we're all good. Like, I think we're good to keep going. So next thing is get the sleeve down to the cuff. Then I will tackle the hem. I'm going to do a split hem. I think I said that before. I would need to put it on barber course and try it on, see where we're at with the length. And then I'll knit both cuffs and then I'm done. And then I have another one. I have another one of these. And I tidied my knitting basket last night. This basket is by Phil Bradley, a lovely basket maker in the Lake District. Anyway, I'm storing all my Maxines in here. This is my other one. And once I finish this, I'm just going to shove the needles straight on this and do the German short rows and just leave on the needles. Just for whenever I feel like I need a little easy project. Hopefully I won't make the same mistake twice. And then that'll be good to go. I'll probably pick that up in like February. Then there's no way, I've just realised there's no way I don't even know if I can cast on my daughter's sweater before Christmas, but I'm gonna like try and just get it on the needles. I have my yarn wound up over there, so that's kind of ready to go. I haven't even dyed the yarn for my hat yet. I'm an absolute disaster. And then was that all my knitting plans? There probably was something else that I'm totally forgetting, but it's fine. If I get those, oh yeah, my Maxine hot water bottle cover. Okay, yeah, I would need to cast that on. I've added more of those to the shop, but just in case you didn't see my thing on Instagram, my last shipping date has passed, so if you purchase anything now, it will go out in January. So yeah, I think the Maxine and the hat, if I can get the yarn dyed for the hat, then I can start those two things over the holidays along with the wee jumper. Yeah, that'll be my two like holiday projects, I think. So anyway, sorry, this has been very chatty, and I'm gonna give you some B-roll now. Bye.
Good King Wenceslas looked out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even. Brightly shone the moon that night, though the frost was cruel, when a poor man came inside, gathering winter fuel. Hither, page, and stand by me, if thou know'st it telling. Yonder peasant, who is he? Where and what his dwelling? Sire, he lives a good league hence, underneath the mountain, right against the forest fence, by St. Agnes' fire.